Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How do you start your day? Hitting snooze a dozen times. Scrolling endlessly through your phone. What if I told you that just 5 simple phrases could completely transform your morning and set you up for success? Today, we're diving into 5 powerful phrases to kickstart your day with a positive and productive mindset. Let's get into it. The first phrase is, "Today is a new opportunity. Forget about yesterday's mistakes or worries." When you wake up, you're literally given a fresh start, a blank page. By saying this out loud, you're consciously reminding yourself that you have a brand new 24 hours to make progress, to be happy, and to create the life you want. It's not about ignoring challenges, but about seeing the day as a gift filled with potential. So, take a deep breath and tell yourself, today is a new opportunity. Next up, phrase number 2. I am grateful for ... double quotes. This one is a game changer. Before your feet even touch the floor, think of 3 specific things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the comfortable bed you just woke up in, the sound of birds outside your window, or the fact that you have a cup of coffee waiting for you. Gratitude instantly shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It floods your brain with positive emotions and sets a tone of appreciation for the entire day. It's impossible to be stressed and grateful at the same time. Try it. Phrase number 3 is all about taking control. I will focus on what I can control. So many of our anxieties come from worrying about things that are completely out of our hands, the weather, what someone else thinks, or global events. By repeating this phrase, you're drawing a clear line. You're making a conscious decision to direct your energy toward your own actions, your own attitude, and your own responses. This doesn't mean you don't care about the bigger picture. It means you're being smart about where you invest your precious mental energy. This simple statement empowers you to be the captain of your own ship. Moving on to phrase number 4. I will accomplish one important thing today. Notice I didn't say 10 things or everything. The pressure to be hyperproductive can be overwhelming and often leads to doing nothing at all. Instead, identify just one key task that will move you closer to your goals. Maybe it's making that important phone call, writing 1 page of your report, or doing a 20-minute workout. By focusing on a single, meaningful achievement, you guarantee a sense of accomplishment. This creates a positive feedback loop that builds momentum for the rest of your day and week. It's about progress, not perfection. And finally, our 5th phrase is a powerful act of self-compassion. I am enough, just as I am. In a world that's constantly telling us to be more, do more, and have more, this is your anchor. It's a reminder that your worth isn't tied to your productivity, your successes, or other people's opinions. You are inherently valuable right now, in this very moment. Starting your day with this affirmation helps build resilience against self-doubt and criticism. It allows you to approach your day from a place of confidence and self-acceptance, not from a place of needing to prove yourself. So there you have it. 5 simple but incredibly powerful phrases to supercharge your morning mindset. Today is a new opportunity. I am grateful for ... I will focus on what I can control. I will accomplish one important thing today, and I am enough, just as I am. Try incorporating one or all of them into your routine and watch how your days begin to change. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on living a more intentional life. I'd love to hear which phrase resonates with you the most, so drop a comment below. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.